Hey guys, so right now we're gonna have a family trip, a one-day stay in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So we're gonna check it out with our families. We haven't been really out much because of the pandemic. Well, at least my parents, as you guys seen, I've been able to go to the Caribbean, but now it's time for some family time here in the States. So let's check it out. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go.
What's up? How are you doing?
Ooh, by the way, look at this baby. All right, so we are just about, I guess, an hour and a half in already. For those of you that don't know, we actually live in New Jersey. So
New Jersey. Okay.
New Jersey. Anyways, so we're, like I said, an hour and a half in, and we are already in Pennsylvania. So we have about another hour to go.
Yeah, and as you can see, there's a lot of grass here and trees, stuff that you don't see in Jersey. So it's very healthy over here, even breathing in the air.
We're gonna make sure all of you guys omit everything she just said. Anyways.
Hey guys, we are here at the Turkey Hill Experience. We are located right now in Columbus, Pennsylvania, and it is amazing. So we're really excited to go. You do need your mask on. As you can see, Fulano over there has a mask on. So I'm really excited. This is your favorite ice cream brand. So let's go.
So you are actually able to check out a couple of exhibits here, and you also get to make your own ice cream here. So we're going to check that out later on. So you're going to be able to enjoy this. Great place for a family, to bring your families. So check it out. Here we have a really interesting fact. In 1790, Columbia lost the bid to become the capital of the United States by one vote in Congress. So one more vote and this would have been the capital of the United States. Pretty interesting.
So all of these cows are all different types, just like different types of dogs. And basically all of these here have high protein and milk. This one specifically is the oldest one.
What is it called?
Back. It's called the brown Swiss cow. Weighs about 1,500 pounds. And they use it for the high protein in milk, which is good for the Turkey Hill ice cream production. This one down here, what is it? The milking southern horn. This one.
Shorthorn.
Oh. Disregard that. This one is used for all three. It's used for the high protein in milk, the strength of the cow, and also for its meat. Has really good meat. So they slaughter this one.
Check out these great facts about cows. Cows have 32 teeth. All teeth are on the bottom with a dental pad on the top. So they do not have teeth on the top. That's crazy. And now it's time to milk a cow.
This right here is how you milk a cow. You gotta squeeze, squeeze the nipple.
Oh, there's price of workouts there. Wow.
It's filling.
Yeah, you broke the cow.
All right, what do you have to say for yourself?
I ripped the cow's lip off.
I'm just delivering milk to all the locals here in this area. So if you want some milk, you call me. Okay, so now we reached the section where you can actually get any type of iced tea you want, unlimited. You got the watermelon lemonade. What do we have over here?
Blackberry lemonade.
You got the blackberry lemonade. You got the unsweetened lemonade, my least favorite. And you got the diet lemonade, which is least favorite than this one. So, pretty cool. Blackberry lemonade. Time to learn about the iced tea. Check it out.
Oh, I like this one. I like the diet and I like lemonade.
I took a personality test. That's what it says. You are a calm center of a chaotic world. Many are impressed by your zen-like patience and mature wisdom, despite your youthful appearance. Career that may offer a good fit include... I just missed it.
Of course, one of these the top 10, the top 12. Of course.
So you could actually sample some flavors and you can actually make your own. We definitely have to check that out. What is it?
Butter brickle. I scraped my scalp.
Time to make your own ice cream, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, so that was basically it. Unfortunately, I couldn't record while we were making our own ice cream, but I was able to make my own ice cream. I made, well, it was a vanilla base, it had cinnamon, it had caramel, it had butterscotch, pretzels, sprinkles, all of the above, okay? I just put a whole bunch of stuff in there, and it was really good. So now we're gonna check out a river that is close by here, and then we're gonna head to our hotel, so continue following us. Okay, so now we are at Susquehanna River. I really hope I'm saying that correctly. I don't want to butcher it, but it is what it is, you know? So this river that we're about to see runs all the way to Maryland, Washington, D.C. area. It's a pretty big river, pretty wide, and it's really beautiful here. We're actually the only ones here in the park from what I see, so let's go check it out. So back in the 1800s, this place had a lot of industrial activity here. So it's pretty crazy that now it's pretty calm, pretty quiet, and there's really nothing going on over here. If anything, we're the ones disturbing the peace.
Okay. One more. The other one, I had like 6 of them.
All right, so we just got to our hotel. We're staying at the Fairfield Marriott in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and it's pretty nice. Oh, by the way, this room was completely free. I applied for the Marriott Bonvoy credit card. Got it approved. They give you $250 to spend on anything with your first purchase, and that's what we did to book this room. So let's check it out. Okay, so now we are in Lancaster County Center. We are actually walking to Old San Juan restaurant. It's really good in Lancaster, so we're gonna check it out. We're gonna record the food, so that way you guys can check this place out. Puerto Rican cuisine, it's awesome.
Stay tuned.
Alright, so as you can see, we are here already sitting down, and we have the vibe of basically being in Old San Juan, Puerto Rico. It's actually really nice. Okay, so we got our food. We got our food. Tostones. We got the rice and beans. Oh, there's my pops. Got the shrimp, rice and beans. My sister
Hello?
did the same thing I did. There's Mario killing you over there.
I saw your
My
text.
fiance. How was the date?
Delicious.
Great. All right, let's try it. It's good. Let's try the pernil. Yes. Yeah, man, okay. You gotta come here and try this food. It's really good.
Oh, God.
Oh, estamos a guagua.
All right, good morning, everyone. We are here in Cracker Barrel in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is an amazing place. I love this place, and you're gonna see why I love it. So here I am with some of my family members and friends. Go.
Oh my God.
This one woke up Frankie this morning. That's Denise with her daughter, Samantha.
Sam, say hi.
Say hi to all the YouTube followers and viewers. That's my pops.
You went live?
Check out her shirt.
I'm
Check
like,
out
why
her
is it
shirt.
taking so long?
Wait. Jesus is my spotter. That is correct. So let's check it out. Voila. Look at that. Pecan pancakes. Egg sausage links. Got everyone here enjoying great food at a great price. And of course they have some shops here Well, it's a shop in Cracker Barrel. It's really cool. And now we find ourselves in Sight and Sound Theaters. It is probably the best attraction here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where they bring the Bible to life, basically. That's how they announce it to everyone. It's a beautiful place. Look at that beautiful theater. We're gonna get closer, better shots of the place. But obviously I can't show you the play, but I will show you around in the theater. It's a beautiful place to come to with your family to learn more about the Bible. These shows are better than Broadway, guaranteed. So come check it out. So when you get into here, it looks like you're basically in Israel, back in time. It looks amazing. They actually sell glazed almonds. They are amazing. We'll definitely get a bag. We'll be going in soon so that way you guys can see.
What was it?
Spectacular theater, beautiful, and we are very excited to watch this. So, goodbye.
Hi guys, we are here at the Turkey Hill Experience in Lancaster. Wait. Hi everyone. We are here at Turkey Hill Experience. As you can see, we are here. We just got here. This is Turkey Hill. We are in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Hey guys, so we are here at the Turkey Hill Experience in Columbia. Hi guys, we are here in Turkey Hill in